Leaving your dog at home while you go to work all day can be stressful for both you and your dog. But sometimes, going to a dog kennel or daycare can be nerve-wracking. You don't know if you can trust strangers with your dog. But here at Canine Lifeline, we aren't strangers for long. We take the time to get to know both you and your dog when you come to our facility. No matter who your dog is or what they've been through, they have a place here at Canine. Our facility not only has a respectful staff and amazing service, we also take the time to get to know each and every dog as they come in. We focus on the socialization skills of each dog and apply basic training knowledge to teach them manners and respect for not just other dogs, but for people too, including you. Canine Lifeline is a relationship-based training facility. We are world leaders in creating better human and dog relationships. We offer multiple services, which include structured daycare, boarding, training, and a variety of fulfilling lifetime follow-up classes. When your dog enters Canine Lifeline's doors, they will instantly become a part of our family, and we will do all we can to create a comfortable and safe experience for your dog while you are away. Give your dog a life and get yours back. Canine Lifeline in Draper, Utah. For more information, please visit our website at www.caninelifeline.net or call us at 801-272-1159 or even text us at 801-712-1159. Are you in the area? Go ahead and just stop by our facility between 8 and 7 Monday through Friday or 8 and 6 on weekends, and we will give you a tour and answer any of your questions. We're excited to get to know your dog.